production line today. We need finished 500 or almost 1,000 pieces per day. This production line.
Ah, okay.
Here the same. Yeah, also same.
This is more
for
motor
hub
production
motor,
for hub motors. So it looks like the motors start on that side,
Exactly.
and then they come all the way down here until they get finished, and then into another testing room.
Yeah. Here,
Oh.
this month, this production line, they need finished
34,000
This
in
month, this month.
in November.
November. Yeah, now is almost finished. Yeah.
Is that December?
Yeah, already.
Oh, oh, this is what they have done.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay,
It's
okay.
today.
Today.
Yesterday.
Yesterday was 1,542,
Yeah, for
And-
this line.
and for November, what is it today? Like the 10th,
10,
Yeah.
11th.
11th?
11.
Oh, hey, they're doing
Almost,
pretty good.
almost,
11,362, and the goal is 34,000
For this production line.
for this line.
And we have 6 lines.
This line right there. Okay, and it looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're like 10 or 15 people on the line or so,
Yeah, yes.
and more testing.
10.
Sorry, don't let me don't let me bother you guys.
Things like this one is some issue. Yeah, check something happened.
Huh.
So we take off and how to say?
And retest it or remake it. Yeah.
Rework.
So no one's gonna get this one. It's got to get fixed first.
Yeah.
That's really good to see all the testing that happens. It looks very thorough. Every line has testing going constantly for every single motor. That's very, I mean, should be standard. Things are going to get noisy now that everybody's back from their break.
Fresh.
Yeah, ready to work.
Everyone's coming. Yeah, things like this kind of production line, we have the through stage testing, check everyone, every model. The first stage, kind of one by one，耐压怎么说？耐压？节源测试。
节源测试。一下子还讲
A technical word. Yeah.
Maybe you know how to speak this, how to say this one.
That machine?
We need to keep it really high resistance.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, they're testing the resistance of it to make sure it can handle the amperage.
Yeah. The voltage.
Okay.
And for this one, the current, voltage, and everything.
Ah.
Yeah.
So they're testing it as it goes.
Yeah.
Each step they're testing it again before another part goes on.
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah, one by one. Finally.
And that's the finishing.
Finishing. Yeah.
Wow. So you have this one line, and Nick, did I hear you say that there's 6 lines?
we have 6
Okay.
production lines.
So here's 1. Looks like 2, and then 3, and then 4, and then 5, and
The one we just saw.
oh, and the one we saw in the other room. 6. Wow, that's very busy indeed.
This 8 hours per day, almost can finish. At the moment, we just start the peak season. Maybe the next month, maybe end of this month, we need almost double quantity.
Wow. So, so this is the busiest time of year right now. Just started. Wow. So everybody's buying up motors to put on their bikes so that they can get them to the customer by April.
Yeah,
So they go to the end user at April or May. So,
all the components is prepared here.
wow. Wow.
Yeah,
These are Joulette connectors.
Yeah,
Yeah.
protected plate connection.
Great.
Actually, this kind of spade also another company does produce this one.
Yeah, the cable.
Yeah, not the cable.
Or the whole
it's
thing.
The whole thing. Yeah.
Oh, this is produced by another
This
company.
company almost 1,000 people.
Almost 1,000 people.
Yeah.
Wow.
Just the running.
Wow. That's fantastic.
Example for this one, yeah, we give the order is almost 1,200.
Oh, you ordered 1,200 of these.
Yes, yes.
Wow. And all these are going to go into the motor and into the final product.
Yeah.
Great.
That one, high voltage insulation test. Sorry about that.
High voltage insulation test. Okay, that's what you were looking up. Yeah.
Yes.
That's wow. Well, let's take a look at the high voltage insulation testing. So even though those are new products that are already tested by the other company, you're testing them again.
Yes, yes.
Very thorough,
Yeah.
very professional, like it
yeah.
always works.
Yeah.
And off it goes to start its journey to become an electric motor.
We're starting from testing.
Yeah.
It's almost same.
A very similar line.
This is for fat tire. For fat bike.
Oh, for a fat bike, so it's pretty wide. Okay, that makes sense. That's why you see it's much bigger, and also you see a pretty big step in between here. So, yeah, that's for a fat bike. All right. Oh yeah, and a big connector too to handle everything. Great.
Check.
Everybody on this side is checking. Check. So again, we're starting with testing, 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 testing. Now they're constantly testing their product to make sure that it works. I think that the very high quality of these products, because they're high, what's the word? Success rate. Very high success rate.
Is the wheel, the big wheel.
Oh yeah,
Now in China, it's very popular for the sharing,
the sharing bikes. Yeah.
rent system. Example for mobile, that's not for
Wow.
e-bike is coming.
Wow. So this is a kind of solid wheel that they use in bike share programs here in China, and they're very popular. And hey, they're orange.
Yeah, orange.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
purple
good.
color.
Yeah.
Yeah, this orange. Purple color.